Hey everybody, my name is Alan Jones out of Dallas, Texas. If you're on the Zoom right now, you may have seen a post on social media, or you received a text message that talked about ways that you could go out there and drive a luxury car for just $33 a month. Guys, it is simply possible. So let me be the first to welcome you to the club. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the introduction of My Car Club with a couple of videos, and then we'll dive right into this thing. So with that being said, let's get started. Disclaimer: My Car Club is a subscription-based club membership with referral incentives. It may require significant effort and dedication to achieve success. Results may vary based on various factors, including individual efforts. Furthermore, we do not guarantee the success of any individual, nor do we make any promises or representation about potential earnings or profits.
The launch of My Car Club.
You see the sleep forever.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win.
Wow, one thing that I can say is membership has its privileges, and the benefits of the membership as you become a member of My Car Club is that you receive a membership card, car newsletters, car show entries, detailed workshops, training, and much, much more to come. In addition to that, we have a My Car Club app that you can actually download right now on your Google Play Store or your Apple Store. I also have a My Car Club Visa debit card that allows you to make cash withdrawals from anywhere across the world. It will also be able to hold your crypto. Now, we live in a world of change, and one thing that you've noticed, you've seen a lot of companies that are offering referral bonus simply by just referring it to your friends, family, and people that you might know. Because one of the strongest form of advertising is what? Word of mouth. Companies spend hundreds of millions of dollars just to go out there to advertise, to be able to get a customer, to get a subscriber, to get a member, all the above. But we have the absolute best referral program in the world, and that gives you the ability, just by referring to a handful of members, to qualify to earn for a car. Just imagine having a car that you pay $33 a month for. All you just need to do is just add fuel and drive. Your insurance, maintenance, your tax and registration, all that is included. And you're probably asking me, like, how do you get the opportunity to drive this luxury car, and in addition to that, earn some residual income? Well, first you got to get started. It's $165 to join the club. Right now we have a founder's discount of $55, and you pay $110 plus your first month of $33. It's a total of $143. We also have what's called our platinum membership. Now, our platinum membership gives you the ability to go ahead and subscribe to My Car Club for a year. We take off a month, making it $360 plus $110 setup fee. So you're looking at $470 for the entire year. What's included in the platinum members is 20% off merchandise, 20% off discount tickets, 20% off all discount charges, and many, many more. And it comes with this amazing platinum membership card. Now, how do you qualify for the card? It's simple. First, you get in and you just refer 3 members directly to you. There's 3 members that goes to your link that you'll be able to share. You'll have a referral link that you can share with others that can sign up, become members of My Car Club as well. They go out there and share it with their members, and you can qualify for just 4 levels, what we like to call a level of champion. But along the way, the company also pays you a $55 direct referral bonus for every person that you personally refer to this My Car Club. So if you went out there and referred your first 3 members, you did it within 30 days, you're going to earn an additional $110. So you're going to earn $275 fast track bonus just from referring members to My Car Club. There's no limit to how many people that you can go out there and refer to My Car Club. Just imagine posting it on a billboard, posting it on your social media, or just imagine if you had a car driving down the street with a sign that says, hey, how would you like to drive this car for $33 a month? There's no limit to how many people that you could refer this to that want to sign up and join the My Car Club opportunity. So what happens then is you reach the level of champion. Like we showed in that scenario, you went out there and got 3. You taught them duplication. They went out there and got 3. They got 3. And now, if you look, you got 40 people on each, what we call legs or teams, for a total of 120 members. You qualify for the car. You become what we like to call our champion car club member. You qualify, you got the car. Or if you already have a car, I mean, we know some people may just want to pay down debt. So take the option of taking $1,000 every single month. It's really that simple. All we're doing is grabbing a handful of people and teaching them to do the same thing. What if it took you 3 months? What if it took you 6 months? What if it took you a year to get to 120 members to be able to drive a luxury car for $33 a month? Would it be worth it? Absolutely, yes. There's people that's already qualified for the car bonus. I'm going to let you look at a couple of these quick short videos.
Okay, everybody, I'm so excited. I got the car today. And as you can see, it's a Mercedes SUV. Man, I am so excited about My Car Club. It has given me the ability to save money on my transportation costs. And so if you've been considering joining My Car Club, I'm certainly one to recommend it.
Much, guys, for you guys being brilliant about the My Car Club concept. I am the second winner in the US. As you guys can see, a luxury car with your concept. I made it happen in 40 days. I qualified. And you guys can see here, we got the delivery today, Memorial Day weekend. Top it off.
Yes.
Great way to start the Memorial Day weekend. And you guys are the best. Thank you so much.
And also many, many, many more is not even listed here that is qualified for the car. So with that being said, this is a win-win situation for everybody. It's very simple. The perks and benefits just becoming a club member is out of this world. And then we give what we say absolute best referral bonus, and that's the ability to be able to drive a luxury car for just $33 a month. So how simple is it? First, you got to join, get in, get started. You're talking about $33. That's a little over $1 a day. We spend that more on a cup of coffee. Then all you gotta do is promote. You can promote by just sharing on social media, sending a couple of text messages to friends, family, people that you know, billboard signs, however you want to promote it. Whenever somebody joins and signs up, you're going to earn. And you do it all over again. Join, promote, earn, keeping it that simple. So thank you for taking a short time to listen to this information, but get back with the person that shared this information to you. Let's see you on the roads and the highways of the world. Thank you.